And then it will also give you a very detailed forecast. Today, I chose to come down south because I looked at the observation from Mayport Airport, which is on the beach in Jacksonville. And what that'll tell you that normal people weather will not is it'll tell you sky condition. So it'll say like broken, scattered, it'll tell you overcast, and it'll tell you the height of those clouds also. It tells you temperature dew point spread very accurately. If those things are close together, then you know there's going to be precipitation. It will tell you barometric pressure. All real-time observations from a dude at the airfield, okay? Then under that, it'll give you a forecast from that same weather observer, or there's automated systems that do it too, like machines and sensors and stuff. And it'll give you a very accurate weather forecast for the next couple hours or whatever the forecast says. And that'll tell you things where the weather is going to change, okay? So Jacksonville, for instance, I came down south because it's predicting that a cold front is going to pass through. And the characteristics of a warm front and a cold fronts are associated with like bad weather. So I know that it's going to move through and there's going to be rain, maybe a thunder